Hi, Tracy here from Astrocyte Cosplay. Let's talk cosplay motivation, the year that was 2021, and our cosplans for 2022. At the start of 2021, I posted this on Instagram, which included 3 cosplays each for both Scott and I. Well, 2021 didn't turn out quite as expected, with further lockdowns, homeschooling, and to be honest, it was just quite draining and I really struggled with motivation. I actually didn't finish any whole cosplays, which I guess was the most disappointing part. I did make some progress with my Woman Cosplay, with mainly the sword, body, and leg armor left to go. With lack of motivation for certain cosplays, I took the year to learn more about 3D printing and finish a few props, learning a lot in the process, which you've been able to see on this channel. At the end of each year, you'll see cosplayers making posts with their plans for the following year. This was one of my mistakes, as I just copied the amount of cosplays that others were posting without thinking about what was actually achievable given my own circumstances. It's great to dream big, but it can leave you very disappointed if you can't manage to finish them. So my tip for you is don't compare yourself to others and don't be too hard on yourself. Every item that you make is one step forward and you have to enjoy what you're working on to stay motivated. My second tip is that it is okay to take a break. Sometimes it's beneficial to walk away and do some of your other hobbies, such as playing games, watching movies or TV series. When you get the urge to craft again, it'll be there. Plus, watching some of this other source material can give you some inspiration and motivation to start cosplay again. So, with that being said, let's talk about 2022 plans. I'm not going to list a whole lot of cosplays that I am going to get finished this year. I'm just going to talk about the ones that I am going to work on. They may get finished this year, they may roll into the following year. I'm going to continue working on my Wonder Woman cosplay and hopefully getting a few more of those items done. I'm also 3D printing a Marvel Now Moon Knight for my husband. I've already 3D printed the crescent knives and the helmet. I've just got to 3D print some more of the armor pieces. We are working on Star-Lord from Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2. I've already 3D printed the power orb as well as parts for one of the blasters. I'm going to be using mainly the 3D printing for some of the props and then a combination of buying some of the things like the trench coat and the pants and putting that cosplay together. And finally, I want to start working on a 3D printed Bo-Katan cosplay. I've seen some cosplayers that have finished theirs recently and I just have to have my own. Now, all of this does sound like a lot, but to help with my motivation this year, I just want to have a few projects on the go so that I can jump between them based on where my motivation takes me. I don't plan to have a certain amount of these finished this year. Now, I would love to hear how you went in 2021 and what you plan on working on in 2022. So leave a comment below. So here's to a more motivated 2022 and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.